Hello everybody, welcome back to my Country Sparkles channel. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be talking about our second brooder and giving you a little bit of tour of it before we have to take it down and move on to our third brooder. We got a lot of chickens. Here it is, our second brooder. So our chicks are 2 weeks old today. They are growing so fast. We have 38 of them in here. We ordered 41. 43 got sent to us, so that's how many we lost. As you can tell, we kind of just use what we've got on hand as we go. For starters, let's talk about the walls. So these walls are 4 feet long by 2 feet tall. If you want to see how we built those, check out my other YouTube video, how to build easy chicken brooder. At 2 weeks old, they are getting to be kind of decent flyers. They can almost fly over this. They're about 3 inches away from the top, but that's okay. We have a top that we can put on there, so we weren't worried about that. But they have like doubled or even tripled in size since we got them, and with 40 chicks in here, or 38, it's a little bit too many, so that's why we're going to move up to a bigger brooder. But if we only had like 4 to 8 in there, they'd be just fine still for a while longer in this brooder. As you can see, these walls are meant to be temporary. We just have them strapped on with bungee cords. Then underneath it I have some plastic that's pretty thick that I just found in my garage. It might be some weed barrier plastic, I'm not sure, but nice thick plastic so no chick excrement will leak onto my floor. So for the floor of the brooder, we've got the plastic, and then there's a cardboard layer under there, and then pine shavings, and then all their droppings are in there. I haven't noticed any foul smells or anything like that. There are little itsy bitsy chick feathers I have noticed in there and outside, and sometimes they'll kick the pine shavings out also. Here is our water. I just have it in it's about 1.5 gallon bucket that I got from our local bakery. It's just an empty bucket that might cost me $1. And then I have this makeshift water catcher down here out of 2 plates. So that underneath there is like the cheap dollar store salsa chips tray, and then the other one is a serving ornamental tray that I drilled some holes in the top. And then on the bottom of the water are watering nipples, and there are 6 of those on there. Got those from Cal Ranch, or actually we got them from Amazon, but they are in Cal Ranch. Just got strapped onto this 2x2 with just a strap pad laying around. We improvise when we can and use what we have on hand. Got the heat lamp still. At about 2 weeks you can start raising that up. They're a little bit more tolerant of the cool, and they need to be super tolerant of the cool here in Idaho, so they'll be moved out to the garage in 2 to 4 weeks tops. I don't know how much longer they'll be able to stay in my house. But we've also got a camera here just videoing what they've done, what they do all day, and I might post some of those on YouTube. I haven't yet. Our heat lamp is super fancy. As you can see, it's strapped to my kitchen chandelier. So that's how I've got it hanging there. And then I've just got an extension cord here going to my living room. Let's see, that is our setup pretty much. Oh, just kidding. We've got a few roosting bars in there. They're loving to roost. They're not on there all night yet, but they are definitely training themselves to get stronger for that. They started wanting to jump up on there at about a week old. There is their feeding tray. I have to fill it up every single day. Soon it's going to have to be twice a day, so I'll just put another one in there. This is where I keep their grit, and I fill that up every couple days. And that's it. That is our little brooder part 2. Part 3 will be coming soon. there you have it, our second brooder. Our chicks are 2 weeks old, and I think if you had 16 chicks or less, then this brooder would last you a little bit longer than it has us. But because we decided to have 40 chicks in our house, we're gonna have to upgrade because they just grow so fast, and it's kind of sad. They're not little fluff balls anymore, but they are still super cute and getting kind of personalities. Different breeds definitely are more skittish than others, and we have our like one favorite one that loves to come to us and never throws a fit or anything. She just loves to be held. So we're really excited, still loving them, and excited to see where this goes. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below, or even advice for us. We are learning and excited to be part of the chicken community now. If you like this video, I would love a like and subscribe down below. Give it a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye.